Listen and read. It's a beautiful spring day. Maria gets up early. She feels happy. She knows that it is a nice day because she puts her hand on the glass of the window. It is very warm. She opens the window and the singing of the birds fills the room. She can smell the flowers outside her room. They smell sweet and fresh. After Maria gets dressed and has her breakfast, she puts her books in her bag. She's ready for school. Maria is a lot like any of the students in her neighborhood. She goes to school and likes to be with her friends. But Maria cannot see the beautiful spring day. She cannot see the flowers, the blue sky, or the singing birds. She cannot see the new green leaves on the tree. She cannot see this because she is visually impaired. She has been unable to see since she was born. But Maria is happy. She goes to school every day. She can learn the information because she reads Braille. Braille is a script that uses raised dots. Each letter is made from dots. People move their fingers across the raised dots to read. Maria learned to read Braille as a young child. Her books at school are in Braille. She enjoys reading poems and history. Maria's teacher says she is a good learner. Listen and read. But Maria is happy. She goes to school every day. She can learn the information because she reads Braille. Braille is a script that uses raised dots. Each letter is made from dots. People move their fingers across the raised dots to read. Maria learned to read Braille as a young child. Her books at school are in Braille. She enjoys reading poems and history. Maria's teacher says she is a good learner. Read section A and choose an appropriate sentence about what the paragraph is talking about. What does the smell of sweet and fresh flower mean? That the flowers are new and fresh smelling. Paragraph 2 is about Maria not being able to see. Read section A and choose an Read the story again. Choose the best answer.
1. Maria cannot see because she is visually impaired. 2. Maria knows it is a warm day because she feels the glass of the window. 3. At school, Maria learns a lot of information by reading books in Braille script. 4. If she goes to university, Maria will probably study history.
Fill in the gaps with the words from Story of Maria. Review your answer.
1. Maria can smell the flowers outside her home. 2. Maria has been unable to see since she was born. 3. Maria goes to school every day. 4. Braille is a script that uses raised dots. 5. Maria enjoys reading poems and history.
Fill in the gaps with the words from Story of Maria. Review your answer.
1. Maria can smell the flowers outside her home.
Listen and read. Maria hopes to go to university one day. Her teachers think that she can. Maria wants to set up a school of her own so that she can teach visually impaired children. Before this, Maria wants to be a writer. She wants to write a book about her feelings and experiences. She wants to show other impaired people that she can do amazing things in their lives. Read the story again. Answer the questions.
1. Why does Maria want to set up a school? 2. What kind of book does Maria want to write? 3. Why does she want to write this book? 1. Why does Maria want to set up a school? Maria wants to set up a school so that she can teach visually impaired children. 2. What kind of book does Maria want to write? Maria wants to write a book about her feelings and experience. 3. Why does she want to write this book? She wants to write this book because she wants to show other impaired people that they can do amazing things in their lives.
Pair word. Talk about Maria's goals for the future. How do you think she will help people?
I think her school will help visually impaired children to have better lives.
I agree. You can use the following points. How Maria's writing will help in future. What kinds of book she wants to write. What is the reason behind writing her own book? Type of school she wants to set up. You can use the
Read the job descriptions. Complete the sentences with a word from the box. Read the job descriptions. Complete the sentences with a word from the box.
A business person buys and sells things in Bangladesh or in other countries. A computer engineer studies computer science and can fix computers. A doctor looks after ill people and helps them to become healthy. A teacher works in a school. Children learn how to read and write from this person. A pilot flies planes. He or she travels around the world. A farmer grows crops such as rice. We get our food from this person.
Pair word. Talk about the jobs in Activity F. Which job would you like to do? Why?
I would like to be a pilot. I would like to visit other countries. I would like to be a teacher. I would like to work with children.
Write 3 sentences about what would you like to do in the future. Use the information from Activity F.
Example: I would like to be a doctor. I would like to help sick children. I would like to help them to become healthy. Step 1. What would you like to do in the future? In the future, I would like to be farmer, doctor, pilot. Choose a profession you would like to focus on. Doctor. Why do you want to be a doctor? Noble profession to help sick people, training and practices. Can you? I would like to be a doctor. Doctor is a very noble profession. I would like to help sick children. I would like to help them to become healthy. Step 2. Now write 3 sentences about a teacher or a pilot. In the future, I would like to be farmer, doctor, pilot. Step 1. What would you like to do in the future? In the future, I would like to be farmer, doctor, pilot.